but here's what worked for me. And I'm sticking to it because I done manifested everything that I'm about to talk to you guys about that I've manifested. It all manifested when I gave up. I didn't affirm no more. I didn't do state akin to sleep no more. I didn't listen to affirmations anymore. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Taj and I'm back today with some more free tea. So as you guys read by the title, it manifested the moment I gave up. Now, I do want to give credit where credit is due. I first seen it from the Manifesting House. She has really, really great, valuable videos. I suggest you subscribe to her channel if you haven't. And then I saw it with my girl, my sis, Flight Girls Manifesting, did a video on this. And you guys, I didn't want to, but I was like, you know what? They not lying. They not lying. They are speaking straight facts, because every single thing that I know that I consciously manifested, literally manifested the moment I stopped trying to manifest. Like the moment I gave up trying to manifest, it manifested. So I just had to do a video, you guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing or hearing about the times where I literally gave up and my stuff manifested, then just keep on watching. So with all the techniques right now that's going around in the law of assumption community, like the 10K affirmation challenge that was posted by Sammy, but I think the original creator of the 10K affirmation is a person named Viper. She's on Twitter. I think she has a YouTube channel as well. But anyway, with all of that buzz, the clients that have been coming to me have been like just going in, like, you know, I'm going to count my affirmations. I'm going to do the 10K affirmation challenge. Affirm, 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 blase, 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 whatever, whatever. Doing challenges after challenges after challenges. And hey, if it works for you, do you, boo. I'm all about doing what works for you. What works for you. So this is what I've been telling my clients lately, because some of them have come to me and have been very frustrated with just doing affirmations, counting affirmations, listening to affirmations on repeat. Just they feel kind of burnt out, right? And I get it. I am going to say this. The 10K affirmation does work. Affirmations in general, repetition in general works, you guys. We all know that repetition works. But what also works is feeling and assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So like I said, do whatever works for you, but here's what worked for me, and I'm sticking to it because I done manifest everything that I'm about to talk to you guys about that I've manifested. It all manifested when I gave up. I didn't affirm no more. I didn't do state akin to sleep no more. I didn't listen to affirmations anymore. I'm not going to say I didn't affirm, because I would consider inner conversations, everything you say to yourself is an affirmation. So I would still have inner conversations, but like as far as like listening to affirmations on repeat, counting my affirmations, state akin to sleep, like 3-6-9 method, scripting, I stopped doing all of these things literally because I was just like, I'm not doing this every day. It doesn't feel natural. If I already had these things, I wouldn't be doing this every single day. I wouldn't be like in my room, like going super hard. I just wouldn't personally. So the first thing, y'all know I always talk about on my channel when I manifested my clear skin. So you guys, as you know, if you've already listened to this story or heard me talk about it a million times, my skin was broken out, y'all, for I know every bit of 1.5 years, 2 years. Bad. I'm going to insert a picture right here. My skin was bad, bad, bad. I tried everything. I went to the dermatologist. I tried every topical cream, every pill, I tried everything. Literally nothing worked. So when I got to the point to where I felt like nothing worked, I was affirming. I was doing state akin to sleep. I was doing everything, and I just felt like nothing was working because I've been doing it for so long, and it was almost like my face was getting worse. So one day I was just like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm tired of like doing mirror work and looking in the mirror and saying affirmations and still feeling a certain type of way. Like, I'm just tired of doing all these things and nothing is working. My skin was broke out, like I said, for like 2 years. And the moment, you guys, the moment I surrendered and gave up and said, you know what? I'm done. I don't even care no more. I don't even care no more. I don't even need clear skin anymore. I'm just going to wake up every single day and choose to be happy. I'm just going to act like I have clear skin so that it doesn't bother me. It's not a barrier. It's not blocking me from living my normal life. It's not making me feel self-conscious anymore. I got over like the whole low confidence thing because of it. I just got rid of all the low vibrational feelings and said, you know what? I'm done. I'm done hiding out in my apartment. I'm done going into Walmart or grocery stores, like hiding out, hoping that no one sees me running in and out. Like, y'all, I was literally over it. I was over it. And so I was like, I'm done. I'm done manifesting. I'm done. I give up. So my plan, once I said to myself, I was done and I give up. And my mind, my body was just like, you know what? We're just going to move forward with this and just pretend like we got clear skin and tell ourselves that we got clear skin. So when I would do my makeup, when I would wash my face, I would just tell myself I have clear skin. I would focus on the clear spots that I did have, which were very, very few. And I would really I would really just fall in love with the very few clear spots that I did have. And I would really love on those spots and be grateful for those spots. And I just decided one day, I'm not going to let this stop me. I'm going to live my life. And I feel like that worked because I no longer needed to have clear skin in order to XYZ. I no longer needed it. I no longer needed it to have good confidence. I no longer needed it to have high self-esteem. I no longer needed it to feel good and to feel beautiful anymore. I just didn't need it anymore. I didn't need it. And the second I didn't need it, the second I gave up, y'all, I kid you not, my skin went from went from this to this. Literally so fast. It happened so fast. My family was like, what did you do? What did you start using? Like, what new products are you using? I'm like, girl, nothing. Water and CeraVe. Literally CeraVe, water, CeraVe and water, CeraVe and water. Literally, that's it. That's all I was doing. And I gave up everything and just decided to be happy, be confident, be beautiful in spite of my skin. And the second I did that, like I said, it's the second it cleared up. So also, I just posted that video of me manifesting my car. I feel like that too it came very effortlessly for me because I wasn't in a desperate situation. I didn't need a car. I wasn't desperate for a car. Whether I had a car or not, like, I don't know. It was just the mindset. So I said all that to say, there has been so many challenges and so many new techniques and technique this and technique that's been coming to the forefront, and you know, with my clients and everything, and that's fine. I understand that you guys want techniques and you want to use techniques. Do what works for you. But I'm telling you, the second I gave up on everything that I've consciously manifested that's kind of big to me, weight loss, skin, and my car, like, it was effortless. It was effortless. I was living a effortless, normal, natural life. I wasn't doing all these techniques all day, every day. I just wasn't. So in a sense, I just assumed the feeling of the wish fulfilled. And I was okay in spite of. And I think that is the key. That is when things just happen so effortlessly. Let me know if you plan on trying to, like, if you found yourself anyway just in desperate, needy energy, use this video as a BBL for you to just kind of like say, you know what, let me take a step back and stop being just on it like white on rice, and just kind of release and let go and just be and allow it to come to you. There's no more push and pull. There's no more going against the grain. There's no more resistance in this energy. You just kind of are in a space of knowing that everything is always working out anyway. Everything is always working out in your favor anyway. So why are you stressing? Why you doing that? Why are you doing that? Be happy. Go get you an ice cream cone. Stand out in the sun. Go play in the rain. Do something that makes you feel good and that makes you feel like you already have the thing that you want. So that's the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm sending you guys nothing but peace, love, and blessings. Happy manifesting.